Hi you guys, welcome to today's vlog. So today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys a sneak peek of what it looks like to have a full weekend of education here at Jessi. So we do Utah classes about 2 or 3 times a year. We hold them here at our headquarters. We do a color and business class and an extension training. So we do offer a 2-day special. If you take both classes, you get $100 off, or you can just come to one or the other as well. So yesterday we had our blonding and business class. I'm gonna insert footage right here.
It's just everyone step all the way around towards. It's not like a loop through the whole like circle. It's like do is the best.
Have we ever had in India?
And this just says, so the way we're going to start off,
She's got the video.
I'm going to be introducing myself and then my team, and then we're going to go around the room, and I want to know your name, where you're from, and what your goal for today is. So starting off, I'm Jessi. I'm super passionate about education because I was actually a beauty school instructor. Then I opened my salon and I still wanted to teach. So that's how I got into doing YouTube. And now I'm taking that and look what I've done.
Look what I've done! Everyone applause. But the thing is, if I wanted you to do that in front of everyone, you'd be like, so as you saw, that class is really fun. We do blonding techniques. Sometimes our model's brunette, sometimes they're blonde. We teach foiling patterns, how to work around installed extensions, how to custom color extensions. So like the start to finish of that whole color transformation. And then we also do a business portion where Money with Michelle comes in and gives financial and tax advice, business questions. Any time that you have questions like that, this is gonna be the class that's for you because you learn color and you get marketing and business help. So that's always a really fun day. And today we are here at the salon to do our extension training. So we're about to start. It's our master certification. This class trains you in 2 different bead foundations, 2 different weft types, and then you also just learn so much. Like you learn consultation, color matching, pricing, contracts, placement, and you get hands-on practice. You're in a small group with educators, so I'll show you guys what that looks like. But these days are always really fun. We have 33 stylists here today, so I'm going to show you guys what the rest of today looks like as well. All right guys, so we just finished the demo and discussion. So basically how our class goes is it starts at 10 a.m. for the master certification, and the first like 2 hours, sometimes 1 to 2, depends, we do a demo and discussion where we go over Jessi's golden rules. Those are 8 things we've come up with for a successful hair extension appointment. We go over what they're gonna learn today. We answer questions. We touch on everything from like method to consultation to weft type to color matching, the right amount of hair, placement, blending, contracts, pricing, color matching. Like there's so much that goes into it. This is a great time for the students to ask questions. And then after that, we do an hour break for lunch. That's what we're doing currently. And then after that, they get into their little groups with their educators. It's typically a group of 5 or 6 per educator, and the educator does hands-on demos. So they'll teach them the steps. So they do beadwork first, then the students do beadwork on their mannequins. Then they teach them stitching, then the students do stitching. Then at the end, they get to learn the unseen, which is like the hidden bead method. It's like the cherry on top of everything. So they get a lot of hands-on practice. And it's a long day. It's like 10 to 6, but then at the end of it, they get their certificate. They get access to our online training videos, which are all of the techniques they learned today, in-depth, hands-on again. It actually has the whole first hour of the class again on video, so they can watch everything and like learn it again after the class. They get to be in our Facebook group, so they get to ask questions to other certified stylists. As of right now, there's like 2,500 people in there that have been certified with us, and it's just like a growing community. So if you are interested in being Jessi certified, you can actually find that link in the description box below. You can check out our color classes, our upcoming trainings, and then also the destination class that we're having soon. You can get information for that as well. Okay, so we are moving on to the unseen. This is like the last portion of the class. And everyone's doing so good. To work. You gotta earn your allowance. Right? Oh, oh! You're big.
Bye, girl.
This is bigger than mine.
Okay, get to work. Get to work.
Yay! Oh! Oh! Ouch!
He's gonna realize he doesn't like it once it's actually a chore, but for now. Yeah. Ah! Where you going? Hey, where you going? You get your vacuum? Oh, okay. He's gonna get the vacuum. Oh, that's too big.